Today I'm going to show you how to paint in a Naboo scheme on an Imperial Walkway base by Elrik's Hobbies. We're going to start off with a base coat of Xandri dust. A great way to do this first step is either with an airbrush or with a colored primer. The next step we're going to do is a wash of Caribou Crimson on the lower brick walkway part. We are going to avoid any of the decorative pavers or bricks. Now we are going to wash any of the bricks that we've missed, including the upper areas, with Seraphim Sepia. Once all the shades are dry, we're going to do a dry brush of Wraithbone over the entire base. Make sure you varnish the base once you're done, because the movement tool can rub off the paint in the notched area.